Okay, welcome mga kapudoy! Today episode is unboxing. So excited to unbox my car stereo system. I saw this one in the Baguon, but it's quite expensive, so I tried to search them from other websites, still so expensive. And I came idea that why not better visit Dragon Mart in Dubai. Finally, it's not the original version. There's a lot of 7 inches car stereo system, Android car stereo system, 7 inches. So this is unbranded. As you can see, the box is just a normal one. So I got it for 350 dirhams. Whereas if you will buy the branded one, it will cost you 1,000 to 2,000 or maybe more. So since my channel is all about Urdu, it's all about saving money. Luckily, I got the one that I want, the specification that I want. So without further ado, let's open. But of course, function will be there. You don't know how the durability. But let's see once we install this unit, what will be the result. So first, let's unpack. And so we have the unit itself. Okay, the looks is almost similar to the original version. This is the back panel, the front panel, quite nice, flawless. And by the way, this is a touchscreen unit. So you have the GPS here, GPS. This is the radio. This is the antenna 4G connection. This will be the power connection and audio. This is also with the connection going to the back camera. Part of the feature is the back camera is also here, so you need to install it here. This is the connection for the back camera audio system. Well, this one is connected to the power supply. Also, there are two types of wiring that you can use. One is direct connected here, and one is directed connection here. So I'll show you the wiring, the harness. Okay, you have the wire speaker harness. This is directly to the power source. This is the one they included in the box. So there's another other option is here and other option is here, but they prefer to give us this kind of harness. So this harness is all color coded. It's easy to assemble, easy to install in your car system. Just be aware of the color coding. So here there is a character, Chinese character, but also in English character. So FR, front, this will be the speaker, front negative front wiring speaker, and the positive wire speaker for the front. That is FR means front right. So front right. You have the white FL, the positive line, and then the negative line. This is front left. And you have the rear, which is rear RL, which is the right left rear speaker, showing also with a positive line, a positive sign and negative sign. So you will not miss the wrong connection. You will not do it in the wrong way because it's already tagged. It's specified is correctly. So you have the gray and the green and the white. So for left, so we need to go for the left, right, rear right. So lavender. This one is the rear right wiring speaker connection. So you also have the negative, which is the negative wire, and RR positive. Easy to identify which one is the RR positive and RR negative. The RR negative is always with the black line along with the wire. So this is the one. RR negative. RR negative. You can see the wire is with the mark of black line. So easy to identify. The other wire is plain color, no black line, while no black stripe, while the other one is plain. So plain one is the positive, negative is with the black line. So it's also easy where if you find your wire without the tag, it's still easy to look, easy to find, easy for you to understand. Negative wire will be the with the line, plain color will be the plain one. The plain one will be the positive, negative will be the with the black line. Only problem is if you are not really familiar, color coding is designed to put it in the right place of your car system. So if you put the R in the RR in the front, and of course when you try to change the balance in your car system, you go to the right, your sounds will be at the front. So be careful with installing the wires. Remember, green and lavender is for the rear. It's a back speaker, passenger seat, passenger area. This two is the passenger area's wiring. The other two is the front speaker, left and right. So white and gray again will be your front wiring speaker. Now the brown one, this one is for your, if you have an audio control unit installed in your steering wheel. This is that one is sold separately. This is the wiring. Once you buy that unit, you have a separate module connecting this one, key 1 and key 2. Brown, plain brown will be the positive, brown with the negative, that will be your connectors to your module from the audio control system, which is the remote one. You install it in your steering wheel. So this is for that one. And as I said, your antenna, audio out antenna, auto antenna. Auto antenna is the telescopic antenna. When you turn on your car stereo system, it will automatically extend the antenna from the trunk. However, I don't have that kind of antenna, so this is optional. I will not use this because I don't have antenna. I have a steady antenna. That is only if you have this telescopic antenna. This is also optional wires, optional connection for your audio control unit, which is installed in your steering wheel. If you have that one, this is the connector. You can remotely control your audio system using your audio control unit in your steering wheel. So that is bought separately, but you can buy it in a different package. So to refresh you again, speaker wire, white and gray will be your front, left and right. White will be the left, gray will be the right. Lavender and green will be your back or rear speaker wire connection. Okay, you have the left, which is the green, and the right, which is the lavender. Back speaker, front speaker connection. These two is easy to install. I will show you the diagram later on. And optional, you can buy a separate audio control remotely, audio control steering wheel audio control antenna, auto antenna, if you have this telescopic antenna. A refresh reminder, and just to remind you again, this will be your back camera, pink one, back camera. If you have one, you know how to install. This is the power. Someday it's directly at the back of the car unit, car stereo unit. The ground, which is directly from the body of your car. the accessories, engine switch, and the positive battery, yellow. This is the one connected to that one to give you the right power. And the illuminator wire, which when you turn on your car, it will first illuminate the lights of your car stereo system, and then it will turn on when you click directly when you turn on your car system. So these are the harness that you need along with this package. Okay, the USB wire, part of the package. You have two USB wire, and as you can see at the last end of your wire, there are two types of connection. You can see one with 4 pins and one with the 6 pins. Actually, that is only 5 pins. One is disabled. 6 pins. So this one is audio, data transfer and charging, while the other one is only charging. This one is only charging, fast charging. These two USB connector. You have the two brackets and the screws along with the package. This is compatible with my car unit. It's compatible with Chevrolet Aveo. That's here in the package. You have the GPS antenna. This one is sticker. This attaches under your dashboard. It's a 3 volt to 5 volt voltage antenna. Frequency is 1575 megahertz. So GPS along with the package. And also there's another wire. This is the video wire directly from the camera. This one. Show you. Okay. Oh my God, I have to remove it. Okay, this one. This is the video cable connected behind the car, behind your car stereo module. Will be connected here. Let me better show you. It will be connected there. This is for the back rear camera. That is the connected to that one. And this is the power. Positive, negative. Okay. This is the one. This will power on your system. And what else? That's it inside my unit. So here is the USB connected here. This will be the, what you call this, the USB charging only. This is only for charging, while the other one is a data. You have more charging and charging cable and data transfer, because this is Android units. This is the Android unit, so you can download. This one is 16 GB RAM, 16 GB RAM and 16 GB ROM. So random, I have the random access memory for 16. This is quite fast. And then it's a Bluetooth connection that has a Bluetooth. OBD also, the specification of this one is also OBD. So OBD is designed for testing your engine light. So if your car has a problem with the engine sign, the yellow one, that will light, you can download here the application OBD2, and then when you download it here, but you need to buy the OBD Bluetooth connection. You need to connect it under your dashboard. So when you download the application OBD testing, there are many types of OBD application. Then you can easily find what is the problem with your engine light. So it always be your sensor. engine light is for sensors. So you have your O1, O2 bank system. It's all about that. Then you can identify what are the other figure. That is to check what happened to your sensors. That is the purpose of the OBD. It's also part of it. Then, as I said again, touchscreen. That is the good thing. Touchscreen. The resolution is really nice. I'll show you the all specifications. So I don't need to tell you one by one. You can read it there. What is the specification of this 7.1 Android car stereo system. So for me, I'm satisfied with this unit. So let me see once I'm done assembling, once I install it into my unit. So let's see. I'm so excited to install this unit.